Hey folks, it is a hot day in Arkansas, but I've been out for some beautiful riding, some nice curves, visiting some historic places, but it's time for a little quick bite to eat. I'm out here on War Eagle Road, and on this road is War Eagle Mill, which is a really cool looking place and known for having some really good Blackberry Cobbler, and that sounds good on a hot day with a little bit of ice cream. So we're gonna head down that way, grab a bite to eat, check out the scenery, the bridge, the mill, the water, and just stretch your legs a little bit and relax. So stay tuned. Some Blackberry Cobbler. Hey folks, as you see, the War Eagle Mill is right behind me, and that Blackberry Cobbler was phenomenal. It was so good. I highly recommend going. The mill was built in 1832. It was actually damaged 3 times, destroyed by a flood, destroyed by 2 fires. And one of those fires was caused by Confederate soldiers to help keep the Union soldiers from using it. And it is the only working water mill in Arkansas. The water wheel is 18 feet long. I'll show you a little clip of that. Also, the bridge that I'm on, which is the War Eagle Bridge, was established in 1907. As you can see behind me, it is super cool. I highly recommend coming out here. Alright folks, heading across the War Eagle Bridge. Just want to say thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And always rip the ride, baby.